I am Paul, Cloud Specialist, ZDEP Technologies. I am Certified Instructor in AWS Solution Architecture Associate, AWS Developer Associate, and AWS Professional. We are going to see AWS real-time project explanation in English and Tamil. Please do subscribe our channel. Hi everyone, it's me Paul from ZDEP Technologies. Here I am going to discuss today one of the most important process for production environment, how to take Ec2 snapshots via Lambda function. Alright, so let's get started. So for this process to execute successfully, I have some instance running in my Frankfurt region. And there you can see, I got 5 instances, SAP server, database, web server, file server, Hadoop server running in Frankfurt region, and I have already configured. So I want to take a rotational snapshots scheduled backups from Lambda function. And there you can see, it doesn't have any snapshot in this region. Okay, and there you can see Lambda function, and one of the most wanted serverless automated feature. Excellent feature, powerful. So I'm going to show you how we are going to do this. Okay, so for that, first of all, we have to understand the snapshots will be taken by running EC2 servers, and I'm going to keep it for a couple of days. So here we go. This is the Python 2.7 code I have written in Python version 2.7. And there again, I'm going to have a tags and value for Lambda to identify which server he has to take a snapshots. And wait a minute, if the Lambda function wants to communicate with EC2, okay, and there you can see the tags, and here I'm going to add the tags that Lambda will identify which server he has to take a snapshot. Okay, so first of all, and if in order to Lambda function wants to communicate with EC2 servers, we need to get a permission from identity access management role, and I have already saved that one. So you can see if you have seen problems of getting understanding how to create a role, so just watch out my next video on that. Okay, here you can see I have given Amazon EC2 full access and CloudWatch full access, and Amazon EC2 full access for communicating with EC2 management console instance, and CloudWatch full access for storing all the events and logs inside that. Okay, and here we can see, and Lambda, what I can see, you can see a lot of runtime libraries he is supporting here. And so in my example I have written in Python 2.7. Let I give the name snaps, and let I attach chooser or execution role. Okay, so here again, so I'm going to do existing role, and existing role, it should be there. I have already saved in my identity access management, and there you can see the full access Lambda. Okay, so oops, I'm not able to select. I hope you are able to see that name. Okay, so the name is popping up in their Lambda function. So I'm just want to show you more clarity. Okay, no problem. So so there you can see here got Lambda full access. Okay, so there you can see I have already attached and create a function. So as soon as you create a function here, AWS Lambda will directly ask you, where is your code? Okay, I really understand that one. I need to have a code, and there's a code I have written already. Okay, so I'm going to select all those. So this is Python written 2.7, and I'm going to paste it here. So once you paste it here, you can see this one is there. You can see region. Right now I'm in Frankfurt region, but this one is running in Mumbai region. So I need to have Frankfurt region, the region code EU Central 1. That's the Frankfurt region code, and I have to change here. So I'm going to have EU Central 1. Okay, that's fine. And okay, so because if region is wrong, then Lambda function will go and search the instance on that region. which doesn't have anything. Okay, I'm going to save it this when I'm going to to get that Lambda function get triggered, I need to attach some trigger functions. I'm going to attach CloudWatch event, and there you can see I have already saved earlier a snaps. For more clarity, I'm going to create a new one. So I'm going to use snapshot, and I'm going to have scheduled expressions, and I'm going to give some timings like a rate of 1 minute. So within 1 minute, Lambda function will get triggered and EC2 instance. And for more clarity, you can have a cron tab, that is, you can give cron tab expression, and you can schedule one between Monday to Friday. Okay, so for not to being delayed, I'm just given 1 minute. For the production environment, they use a cron tab most probably. Okay, so now everything is okay. So now Lambda function should trigger my EC2 instance, and he has to take a snapshot. But here he will not take the snapshots. You know why? Because I have not specified the tag value in the instance, because the tag value has to be specified, because Lambda function will go and search the tag value, and since I have not attached tag value, I have not specified a tag which Lambda function finds this is a server that I have to take a snapshot. Okay, so that is very important here. And let's see, there you can see he started to trigger, but he unable to find it. Okay, oops. Okay, so here you can see I got one. Okay, so let me have, so that is have the backup. Okay, so I'm going to there you can see I'm going to give the tag value here. This is a tag value, and this is yes, and this is case sensitive. Make sure it should be proper, otherwise you're not going to get any result. Okay, so click on this is a backup, and yes, and there you can see I'm going to take the backup of database server. And the rest of those two servers, file server and Hadoop server, I'm not going to add a tags. This means those two servers are not part of the snapshot. Okay, so let's see now my Lambda function getting identified the instance which he has to take the snapshot. Okay, still he's not identifying. So situation may come like this also. Maybe we need to check the code again. Okay, so let us check the code. What is a real fact here? Okay, so there you can see the tag I have already provided for all for my EC2 servers. Okay, so let us check that one. Okay, still the snapshot is not generated. Okay, so there you can see what is the actual thing is. Let us check the code. Oops, I'm really sorry. Here I have not given the proper region code. Okay, sorry very much. So I have just given this EU central, but not one. That you can -1 already given now. So now most probably he has to take the snapshot of the instance which I have already attached the tag. Okay, so let I go back to my snapshot console, and let me wait for him to trigger the EC2 servers. Let's see. Okay, so he is getting really giving me hard time here. Okay, everything is proper. Okay, so let I run it again. Okay, so let I refresh it again. Let's see, here we go, the snapshot generated, and there you can see the 3 servers which I expected. As expected, the 3 servers has been taken as a snapshot. And one more thing, rotational days is 70 days I have given here. Okay, let I change 5 days. This is what is rotational days means, number of days the snapshot has to keep and delete after that a couple of days is over. So the 70 days is too long for us. Okay, so for production environment they may give 30 days, 40 days, 50 days, or maybe 120 days and all. So I'm going to give here 5 days. Okay, so I have deleted. Again he will take the snapshots after Lambda function to get triggered for 1 minute, and again he will keep that one. Okay, so I want to show you the delete on the date. Okay, so to here my, okay, let's see here. So did he taken? Okay, I'm just waiting for there you can see he's completed, and there you can see if you want to see the tags here, so click on tags. Okay, so you can see today date is 26th here, 10/26/2019, and as a given 5 days, so he will be deleted on of the 31st. Of the 31st, next he will delete the old snapshot, create a new snapshot, and he will extend next 5 days. This is how the production environment they use the snapshot feature and also images. I hope you understood the steps which I have followed, and I catch you in next video. Meanwhile, take care. Bye bye.